And it's T with Arizona Riders Club action. Look what we have here. I am up at the annual Good Guys Car Show up in Westworld of Scottsdale, Arizona. A little chilly out here today, but let's get into it. We've got a Lincoln that's looking way too saucy. Suicide doors on this thing. Lincoln Continental. Let's take a look at that interior. Delicious. Rag top all through that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Beautiful.
How's it going, man? Picking up business? What was it? Saturday, I mean, it is a lot of people. Seriously.
So what y'all think, man? Y'all know who it is. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. And you know the slogan. Ride with us.